Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable one-handed mode in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down and then go to advanced features. From here go to one-handed mode. Now by tapping here you can enable one-handed mode and it's enable. Now here you can see two options of one-handed mode. One is gesture and another is button. Now if you select gesture and then go back to your home screen. Now from here to enable one-handed mode you have to swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. Now just do it and you can see in my phone one-handed mode is enabled. Now if you want to disable it, just tap anywhere of blank space and it's disabled. Now if you select button from here and then go back to your home screen. Now from here you need to tap double time on home button and it's enabled. And that is how you can turn on or turn off one-handed mode in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.